One side gleams and bends. Other side gasps and crumbles. Ready for a quick showdown? Metals first. Most metals are solid at room temperature. Iron, copper, aluminum. Solid and sturdy. They're shiny, so they reflect light and look polished. Drop them, they don't shatter like glass. They dent, they bend. Metals carry heat. Put a metal spoon in hot soup. It gets hot fast. They also conduct electricity, which is why we use copper and wires. Two words, malleable and ductile. Malleable, hammer into sheets. Ductile, pull into wires. Now nonmetals. Many nonmetals are gases at room temperature. Oxygen, nitrogen, so they don't have that solid heft. They tend to be dull, not shiny. They're brittle. Solids like sulfur break crumble, rather than bend. Nonmetals are poor conductors of heat. They don't get hot quickly. Most don't conduct electricity. Side by side, metals, solid, shiny. Tough heat carriers, electricity carriers, bendable, nonmetals. So often gaseous, brittle solids, dull, poor conductors. Quick tip, think of metals as team players for wires, cookware structures. Nonmetals, essential for air insulation. Many chemicals, that's the metal versus non-metal cheat sheet. Short, sharp, seriously useful. Which side are you on?